What is velocity banking? And why is it the fastest and easiest way to pay off credit card debt? I learned about velocity banking from Christy over at Vanntastic Finances. And my understanding of velocity banking, partnered with a disciplined budget, is that it's a financial strategy that uses credit to pay off credit, meaning you can use your credit card to pay off that same credit card. Instead of using the cash from your paycheck to pay down your fixed expenses like your credit cards, your mortgage payments, your car loans, and then turning around and using whatever's left of your cash to get your coffee or put gas in your car or get your groceries. Velocity banking turns that on its head and says, don't use all of that cash, use your credit. Well, we've been taught that credit is bad, that credit cards in particular are bad, and that we should only use them in emergency. But velocity banking turns that all on its head. I have a credit card payment that's due every month on the 3rd for $305. The interest on that card is $101. So it's $305, but $101 of that is interest. So I can pay that $305 and then turn around and pay for all my variable expenses each week, which includes my coffee, my gasoline, my groceries, my husband's tobacco, miscellaneous items. Or I can say, okay, hey, I'm spending $382.25 every week. That's more than that credit card payment. So I will just pay the $382.25 on that credit card, wiping out the $305. Now, I do this every week because I have gone through my budget. I am committed. I'm knowing that that is my variable expense every week. And sometimes I come way under that. So if I commit the $382.25 every week onto that credit card, I not only wipe out that payment, but I'm also wiping out the interest on that. And as I'm under budget, I'm now eliminating the balance on that. It's reducing very quickly. So I will leave in my bank account only those things that I need to pay for this week or that are coming up that I know I'm going to need to accumulate funds for. But everything else goes onto the credit card. So this one particular card is now treated like my checking and savings account because I'm making money by reducing that debt fast. I make no money with my funds sitting in a bank. I want to give two channels a shout out, and that's Denzel Napoleon Rodriguez and Christy over at Vanntastic Finances, because it is from their channels where I learned about velocity banking. So, velocity banking, partnered with a disciplined budget, pays down your debt fast. It racks up your credit card rewards points. It reduces your monthly cost immediately. Like from the first moment you apply how to do this, your monthly expenses go down. It also reduces your credit card interest fast, and it puts more cash in your pocket. Y'all, it is amazing. And I have been binge watching Christy's videos for a couple of months now. And I think it was about 6 weeks in where it just clicked. And I finally I was, oh my goodness, like this is a major game changer. And I'm 53 years old and I'm just now learning about this. So I hope that you guys check back with me and you can see week to week, paycheck to paycheck, how I am applying velocity banking to pay down my credit card debt fast. So Christy and Denzel have a lot of different scenarios that might be more applicable to your financial situation. My financial situation is I cannot use a HELOC. I cannot use a personal line of credit right now. I cannot get a balance transfer and I cannot get a 0% interest at the moment. So what I have to work with are credit cards that have high interest payments and high balances on them. So that's what I'm dealing with. And I am super excited because I see the light at the end of the tunnel. And I think if you check back and see what I'm doing, you'll see it for your own situation as well. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.